CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Usembut Menteri Rangba jong ke jela ubak Preston Tensong hakasngi palai jong ke khat kendai terik ubana jemang arajar arpuar ula ong ba baro gi Menteri Rangba jong ke jela hakari kidai ban Pynsngew da Kawei kasur sha ki tendong skor jong ke Sorkar pedeng ha ka bayadai bat ka Kiewdor man la kasngi jong tendong le air shed jing shed lani liquefied petroleum gas kadadu bakala bu jing e bha ki long ying ki ba pendan kam yu ni tendong le air shed jing shed hagajo ko por ba Preston ula ongru ba amtang yu tendong le air shed jing shed hanrei baro ki Menteri Rangba ki la ban Pynsngew ru ha ka bayadai bat ka Kiewdor jong ko penyang petrol ko penyang diesel bat Kawei khnang makanam bu jing e ki long ying ki baduna ka yo ka kod hagari baro Kawei bat hagani ka jilla Meghalaya.
As far as essential commodities is concerned, we are ready to make sure that the price does not go up, and we have already instructed the Food and Civil Supply Department to take care of this issue.
So,
right now, nothing of that sort. What I'm saying is, this is the national market, and it is also international market. So we can't say anything much from the state. So CM he is in Delhi. I don't know yesterday whether he met the finance minister or not, but he's supposed to take up this issue to discuss. But this one not only Meghalaya. Let me just clarify. All the chief ministers, they need to have the same voice about the concern of the hike in prices of be it diesel, be it petrol, and then be it gas and so on and so forth. So therefore, this issue has to be taken up with the government of India. If at all need be, maybe they can bring down some sort of relief to certain items for the interest of the public in the entire.